Hi friend, today we're going to do a 20-minute yoga flow that's beginner friendly, and each pose and each sequence is going to build on each other, so stay till the end so you get the maximum benefits. Today we're going to start with breath of joy. So we'll start with 3 sips of air through your nose. Big exhale. One more time. Excellent. So now let's move into the physical movements of your arms. So you're going to lift up, sweep out, lift back up, and forward bend. Come back up. We're going to do it again. Up, out, up, and down. So let's come back to standing. So we're going to do this with your breath. So the sips of air go with each movement. Two more times. And just round back up to standing. Beautiful. Lift your right arm up, left arm around, reach up, ease your way over. We'll take a couple of breaths here. Breathe through your nose, both your inhale and exhale. Ujjayi breathing. And let's come back up to center and let yourself come into ragdoll. Relax your head and neck. And then come up to standing. Reach your right hand around your left wrist. Lift up. Ease over. Take your left hip a little bit further over to the left. And then come back up to standing. We'll forward bend one more time. Swaying back and forth. Warming up your hips. Relaxing your head and neck. And then let's return to standing. Press your arms out. Reach all of your fingers back toward your face. Feel the engagement all the way into your armpits. And softly release. Shaking out your wrists, just as if you're holding a light bulb. Good. And then lifting your arms up, palms facing each other. Then palms away. We're getting into the deep muscles of your shoulders, palms toward each other, palms away. Palms toward, palms away. One more time. Palms toward each other, palms away. And release. Circle your right arm toward the outside of your shoulder, all the way back. Left arm comes back to meet it. And then circle all the way forward. Good. Left hand sweeps back. Right arm joins it. Then sweep all the way forward. So it's as if you're Rapunzel and you're combing your very long hair. And then combing it forward. Sweeping all the way around. Right arm back, and then sweeping all the way forward. Let's do one more side, and then we'll finish with the left, sweeping and opening. So amazing to wake up all the little muscles of your shoulders. Let's roll shoulders back, and then forward. Back of your hands come together. Bring them up, lift them up a little bit more. and release. Bring your hands back, reach back so the entire front of your chest opens, and then release. Good. Circle again, elevate, come to neutral, draw down, and return to neutral. Let's come to the front of our mat and start a little bit more of a flow with your shoulders feeling nice and open here. Sweeping up, palms together. Exhale, forward bend. Relax your head and neck. Inhale, halfway up, flat back. Exhale, bring your right foot back. Lower your right knee down, keeping your toes tucked under. Good. Let's hang out here for a bit. Take a few breaths, settling in. And then lengthen your left leg. Soften wherever you can soften. You might get a little bit more length this way. Good. And then lifting your back knee up, step back. Knees come down. And then lower slowly down to your mat. Good. Tops of your feet on the floor, shoulders roll back, lift into a little back bend, and soften all the way down. We'll do this 2 more times. Round your shoulders back as you lift up, and soften down. Last time, lifting and easing your way down. Come all the way back into table and then pressing up into downward dog. This time keeping your head higher than your shoulders. Take a few breaths here. Feel this beautiful length through the entire back of your body. And move your right hand closer to your left. Step your right foot forward and lower your left knee down. Breathe deeply here. It's a lovely full body stretch. And softening your right leg all the way back. If you need to lift your right foot up, that's okay too, whatever works for your body. And then lifting your left knee up off the floor, step forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep wide and then high, palms touch. Exhale, back to center. 1 more time, lift. And then forward bend. Lengthen forward and step your right foot back. Lower your right knee down to the floor. This time the top of your foot comes to the floor. A little bit deeper stretch through the front of your hip here. I'm on my fingertips. You can also put your knuckles down on the floor or your palms, whatever works best for you today. And then again, let's lengthen. I love doing sequences 1, 2, or 3 times so that the second and third times we notice all the differences that have happened prior. Sometimes we can get quite a bit deeper by the 3rd round. So let's step back, knees down, and then slowly lowering down to your mat. You can bring your hands a little bit further forward. Roll your shoulders back, press your feet down, come into a different back bend, and come all the way down. Re-engage your legs, roll your shoulders back, lifting, coming all the way back. And then let's come into downward facing dog. This time your ears are alongside your arms. Press the front of your thighs toward the back of your thighs. The front of your calves toward the back of your calves. And then your heels may come a little tiny bit closer to the floor. And then from here, right hand closer to your left hand. Step your right foot forward. Top of your left foot on the floor. Engage your abdominals, lift your chest up. And then ease your right leg towards straight. And bringing your hips forward, tucking your back toe under, and step forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep your arms up, palms touch. Exhale, back to center. Inhale, lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step your right foot back. This time as you bring your knee down to the floor, your choice whether you want to tuck your toes or bring the top of your foot to the floor. Nice deep breaths here. Engage your abdominals and lift the center of your chest up slightly. Shifting your hips back. Releasing your knee forward, step back. Knees come down, hips shift forward, and then lower very slowly to your mat. Great way to build some ab strength. Shoulders roll back, come up into a little back bend, and lower down. We're going to do this 2 more times. Shifting yourself up on the inhale, releasing your torso on the exhale. 1 more time, inhale and exhale. Tucking your toes under, press back and into downward facing dog. If the first 2 variations felt comfortable for you, with your head either above your shoulders or your ears alongside your arms, please do that. If you want to try something different, you can bring your chin toward your chest. Any of these options are awesome. And then look forward, move your right hand toward your left, step your right foot forward, lowering your left knee down to the floor. Again, your decision. You can have your palms on the floor, knuckles, or fingertips. And shifting your hips back, lengthening your right leg. And then we'll come back to standing. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep wide and then high, palms touch. Let's stay here for a moment. Press down into your heels. Engage your abdominals. Lift from your shoulders to your fingertips. And then ease back to center. Close your eyes. Take 2 breaths here. Excellent. Inhale, lift your arms up. Exhale, release forward. Inhale, flat back. Exhale, step your left foot back. So it's on a 45-degree angle at the back. And then from here, easing your right knee forward, circling up, coming into warrior 2. Let's come into exalted warrior and ease all the way down to humble warrior. Let's do this again. Sweep up into warrior, come into exalted warrior, and then release all the way down, humble. Good. One last time. This beautiful flow. And then flip your heel up, step forward. Let's do this on the other side. Right heel comes down. Sweeping up. Exalted warrior. Easing down to humble warrior. 2 more times, opening up. Lifting. Easing forward. Sweeping up, pause. Open up, pause. Releasing down. One more time. Enjoying the rhythm and beauty of this flow as you move on your breath. And then step back. Look forward. Step your right knee toward your right wrist, and you're going to anchor your left knee down. This is pigeon pose. Beautiful hip opener. And lift your left knee up. Release. Flex your foot and then lift and release. Let's come back into downward dog and switch sides. So your left knee bent wherever it is comfortable for you. Just be here. And lift your knee. Come back down to the floor. Flex your foot. Lift. And come all the way back down. Gently release onto your left hip and circle all the way around. So from here, we will begin to complete our practice with a little seated cat-cow, having warmed up our entire bodies.